Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome to Miss Brenda Dee Plays. Hi, guys. I'm LaDunya, and today we will be making a pineapple juice cake. Yes, you heard me right, y'all. A pineapple juice cake. And here are our ingredients. Okay, guys, let's get started. First, I will be adding in my Betty Crocker butter recipe yellow cake mix. You can also use a regular yellow cake mix as well, but it's best to use Betty Crocker or Pillsbury. Okay, guys, now we're going to add 4 slightly beaten eggs to our mixture. Now we're going to add 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. And now for our final ingredient, 3/4 cup of pineapple juice. Did you see how easy that was? Now we're going to use our hand mixer to mix everything together. You want to mix your batter for 2 minutes. During this step, make sure you get all the sides. Make sure no dry ingredients are left. We're going to continue mixing this up, and we're going to get our bundt pan ready to add in our batter. Okay, guys, go ahead and preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Okay, now that our batter is ready, next we will get our pan prepared to put in our batter. Here, I will be spraying our cake pan with Pam baking spray with flour. This is a good little spray to have when it comes to baking because it takes the work out of buttering your pan and putting the flour in it. So it's like everything is together in one can. So now we're going to start putting our batter in our pan, making sure that it's even on all sides. We don't want more batter on one side than the other. We don't want a lopsided cake. I made this cake for New Year's. It was a hit. The whole family loved it, and I hope you enjoy it too. It gives a take on the pineapple upside down cake, but instead it's just without the pineapples, but you still get the pineapple flavor. While I'm getting the rest of my batter out of my bowl, I just want to take this time out to just give a shout out to my mom, Miss Brenda Dee. If it wasn't for her, I wouldn't know how to cook, and being in the kitchen with her is a joy. I just love her to death, y'all. Yeah, I just don't realize how much I'm grateful that she is my mom. So, and I'm glad to be sharing her with y'all. So, give shout out to Miss Brenda Dee, because she's the rock. She's what holds this family together. Okay, guys, now before we put our cake in the oven, we're going to take this time right here to get the air out of our cake. How we do this, we just pick up our pan and drop it back down on our counter a few times, just to make sure all the air is out. Okay, guys, now that we have made sure that air is out of our batter, next we're going to place it in a 325-degree oven. We're going to allow our cake to bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until your fork or toothpick comes out clean. Okay, when you're getting ready to check your cake, make sure you insert your toothpick or fork in the middle of the cake. That is the best place to check to make sure that your cake is done. Okay, guys, now we're going to start on our glaze. First, we're going to take 2 cups of powdered sugar, and we're going to add in 3/4 cup of pineapple juice. Next, we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, you really don't have to put your ingredients into this measuring cup. The reason why I did it is because I'm going to explain to you 2 different ways that you can do your glaze. Okay, guys, now it's time to warm up our glaze. You can warm your glaze up 2 different ways. You can put it on the stove into a small pot like I will be doing, or you can place it in the microwave. If you're planning to do the microwave method, make sure you check your glaze every minute. Don't set it for 5 or 6 minutes and then take it out, and then you might have a mess on your hands. So make sure you do it per minute, because you might not need to have it in too long. Okay, this glaze isn't going to be really thick, so don't look for the thickness when it comes to this glaze. We just want to make sure everything is melted. Okay, guys, our cake is out of the oven, and we allowed our cake to cool for 15 minutes. Now we're going to use a knife, because I do not have a skewer. So I just used a knife to poke holes inside the cake. I just took it around the whole cake on the inside and on the outside. We're going to leave our cake in our pan, and we're going to pour in our glaze. We're going to allow this to sit for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. If you don't want a lot of glaze, you don't have to use it all. I did. But if you don't like that moist type of cake, use less glaze. Always make it your way. Whatever your taste buds, prefer, make it your way. Okay, guys, we're going to let this sit, and then we're going to come back with the final results. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, it has been 20 minutes, and now we're ready to flip our cake. Oh, look at it, y'all. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. I'm so ready to eat some. Do y'all see how nice and brown that cake came out? Okay, guys, let's get ready to plate us a piece so I can show you guys how it looks. Yes, doesn't that look good, y'all? Your girl did that. Yes. Okay, y'all, that's it for this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed watching me cook for you guys today. Remember to like, share, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. Okay, y'all, we got a taste tester here. What's your name? Okay, he's gonna try our pineapple juice cake. How you like it?
It's good. I like the pineapple taste.
Okay, y'all. Well, we're gonna let him finish enjoying his cake. And like Miss Brenda Dee always says, have a blessed day and bye-bye for now.